Hi, my name's Allie and I love making DIYs. So today I'm really excited to show you how I make these adorable signs using Dollar Tree's Tumbling Tower game. Alright, so grab your coffee or your tea. I've got my coffee cup. The first thing you gotta do is just get out your blocks and kind of play around with the shape that you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Next thing I'm going to be using is my E6000 glue.
And start gluing. A little bit goes a long way with this stuff.
Okay, so all I'm doing is putting the glue on the wood pieces and squishing all of the pieces together so that they lay flat. And if there's any glue that seeps through it all, I'm taking a paper towel and smushing that off so that it's not on there, so that it doesn't dry weird. And just continuously smushing the pieces together, laying it flat, making sure everything is nice and even.
So next, we're just going to decorate our wooden signs. Now, you can put a little block in the back with some E6000 glue, just the same way as we made the sign, but I don't think it really needs it, because it stands up just fine.
So here I am just putting on some washi tape on my wooden sign, just decorating it however the mood strikes me. Of course, you can use different washi tape, you can do it however you would like it. This is just what I was feeling. I didn't record the whole process, but you get the idea. So here is the finished product. I'm really super happy with this. I think this is adorable. You can also paint your sign, which is exactly what I did in this photo that I showed earlier. I spray painted it gold, waited for it to dry, of course, and then I painted on the letters BU with black paint. I'm super happy with this one. Don't forget to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.